If you want to create your own custom theme for the keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy A37, then in that case we need to download another app that allows you to, of course, make some custom themes, because unfortunately the default Samsung keyboard that we have on this phone doesn't really allow you to do so. For example, we can use Gboard or Google Keyboard, so you can look for this app and you should be able to install it pretty easily. And then once you install the app, of course, we want to open it and we need to set it up, which is really simple. First, we're going to tap on Enable in Settings. We're going to enable Gboard in here and press OK. We're going to go back. Now tap on Select Input Method and you want to switch from Samsung Keyboard to Gboard. And then if you tap on Done, you will immediately open the Gboard settings. And this is actually quite convenient because over here we can immediately go to Theme. And you should be able to choose one of these available themes. So of course, if you want to, you can choose straight away whichever you like the most. And you can apply it immediately. And if you want to actually create your own theme, then you can use this plus button here at the top. This will open the gallery and you can choose a picture that should be used in the background for the keyboard. So let's say I'm going to choose this picture over here. We can of course pinch and drag around in order to adjust. And we can go next. We can now adjust the brightness and tap on Done. And there we go, we have our custom theme. We can also toggle key borders if you want to, and then tap on Apply. And there we go, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.